I recently have my baby and I missed my period and my baby is 5 months, so I have this my pregnancy test right here. As you can see, it's still sealed. So I want to do pregnancy test, so to know if I'm pregnant or maybe my hormone refused to balance very well, because I met doctor and doctor said maybe it's my hormone that is trying to balance. Okay, so that's why I'm just doing this pregnancy test, and this is 6 o'clock in the morning, so I really want to do it now so that I'll be free. If it's negative, then I'll rest. I've already peed in this little bucket, in this little cup, okay, little bucket. I just want to be sure that I'm not pregnant, then I'll relax and know that it's my hormone, okay? Because when a woman gives birth, the hormone will change and it will take some time to balance. So, but this time around, I saw my period twice, and this is the 4th time. I didn't see it. Okay, when I had my baby, I stayed for 3 good months without seeing my period. Okay, so when it finally arrived and I started seeing it, but this time around, I didn't see it, and I'm not guilty of anything, alright? So I just want to be sure. So now I'm going to drop this and open this, then dip it inside the PP to see what it will be. But to be saying, I don't have any symptom of pregnancy, I don't have any sign of pregnancy, I don't have frequent pee, no sign, no single sign. Maybe, I don't know, I'm just gonna do this so that I'll be sure and free my mind, and I'll have peace of mind as well. Okay, so if it's a baby, then I'll start preparing for baby things. Then if it's not, alagar. so guys, this is how this one is. So you guys can see they write it there that if it's negative you will see it, if it's positive you are definitely gonna see it. And here again they also write manual this. So yeah, but if I dip it inside the pee, then I have to wait for 3 minutes and before I'll begin to read the result. And they also said in this carton that I can test 1 day to my cycle, or the 2 days before your period. Okay, so it's reliable and easy to use. So let's do that once and for all. This is how the inside looks like here. This is how the inside looks like. So cute, right? So this is the place I'm going to dip in and wait for 3 minutes to know what's up. I just bend it like this because I don't want to lock it, so I'm going to drop it like this as well. Just now I'm gonna drop it on the table, then I keep my mind at peace. Okay, so then I'll throw the pee away inside the toilet like this and wait for the results. Because they said that I'm going to wait for 3 minutes, I dip it inside my pee at 6:21 and now it's 6:22, so which is 1 minute, and I think 6:24 will be the 3 minutes, right? I guess. So I'm going to wait for 6:24 to verify. Like I said earlier, I'm not having any symptoms like, hey, you are pregnant. I'm not having that symptoms. The only thing that I can say is that when I'm hungry, I eat like I have never eaten before. 1, so I don't feel tired, like I do my things like I do me. I do my things like I always do, and that's the only thing I can say. Maybe I don't frequently pee. I pee normally. Okay, so I'm not bothered. I'm not bothered. I'm not bothered. I'm capable of anything that comes my way, and because I have God and God is by my side, so I'm capable of anything. So I'm not bothered at all. Now it's 6:24. Let's see together. Let's find out together. My husband is coming. Let's find out together. Negative. See that? Negative, I think 1 line, I guess. Oh, I'm so excited. That means I have to be patient and follow the doctor's step. I'm super excited. So we move over to another thing. Thank God. I'm so glad. Guys, so this is my 1 month postpartum body, and my baby is 1 month. As you guys can see, my tummy is very big. My tummy is still big, it's not flat yet. So why this was because when I had my baby, I started tying my ghetto like I showed you guys in my hospital bag video. So the fact is that I tied it for I think 1 week, and I begin to say no, because breastfeeding a baby is another thing. Okay, my baby is not eating another food apart from breast milk, not even a milk, another thing. My baby don't eat it. So, and that makes me to be more hungry, like to be more hungry all the time, and it makes me crave a lot. I need to eat so that baby will see enough milk to drink. So I said to myself, no, I can't handle this, because if you're determined to reduce your tummy after delivery, then you definitely have to also minimize what goes into your tummy. So my own side, I can't handle it because it makes me to be hungry all the time. So I said to myself, I have to be very patient. Maybe from now till 4 or 5 months, I can be able to reduce my tummy, because I'll take maybe by that time the pediatrician will recommend something for baby to eat, maybe any kind of food, and baby will start eating. And from that, I will also minimize what I eat, because once baby starts eating, then it will help me to eat when I want to and how I want. Okay, but now I can't. I thought I can, but hell no, this babe can't. So it was complicated for me. I couldn't. Honestly, it's not easy. Look at that tongue. It's still big though, right? And I begin to develop fat in my tummy. You see, I'm developing fat in my tummy. Anyways, even people who are fat also go back to shape. Talk more of me that I have fat in my tummy. I'll go back to shape as well. But honestly, our tummy are plastic, because you can imagine how my tummy was when I was pregnant, and now my tummy is very small. Honestly, God is definitely amazing. God is amazing. God created a lot of things. May his name be praised. without feeling. I like to pour water on my face so that those dead skin can actually, melt. The word melt, okay? So before I start cleaning my face, and as you guys can see, recently I started breaking out down here, and which I don't like, so I leave it. I didn't press it. Now it's already dried, so I just want to like kind of clean my face and go and sit down. So it's a clean your face time, not my main video time, okay? So as you guys can see, I'm still rocking my hair. Hope you all like it, and I look so beautiful in this hair. Honestly, I'm telling you guys, I look so good in this hair. So I'm gonna start cleaning my face right now. Clean my face like this. So you guys can see that it's there. Trying to zoom it so that you guys can see. Oh my god, just look at, I've not cleaned my face for some days now, so that's why I have this dirt in my face. I think I've not cleaned my face for about 2 days, yeah, and you guys are seeing all this dirt with the help of that water. So you see why I wet it first before cleaning, so that water will help it to help the dead skin to be soft, so that when I start putting my cotton wool, it will pull out without hurting me or stressing me. So this is the back of the place, as you can see. So guys, I just finished cleaning the face, and I've cleaned it not like how I used to clean it when I'm making my video. I just clean it as personal something, so I didn't go into the details because I just want to go out, okay? So I don't like the way my face is. Just clean it, simple cleaning, which I have cleaned it very well as I'm seeing it right here. So I just want to go out, and I'll be applying my cream, and I'll be using this cream right here. This oil, like when I say it's amazing, you guys will not misunderstand me. It's more than amazing. Like it's rebalancing, rejuvenating my hair. Oh my goodness, did I say my hair? It's not my hair, sorry. It's rebalancing, rejuvenating my face, and it's my favorite, right? This oil, okay? And every 6 months they will send it to me, and I've used it for about 3 months, and it's not even up to half yet because I don't put too much. Just a little drop of it goes a long way. So maybe in 6 months time, or 3 months or 4 months time now, they will bring another one for me. Just imagine that. So let me go and put this oil on my face. Like, can you guys see my eyebrow? Look at it very well. So this eyebrow here just gave me that amazing shade that I always carve it to. Let me clear you, if you have been following me on my YouTube channel for 3 years now, you know that this shape right here is the shape I gave to myself when I newly started my channel, okay? So because I started cutting my hair, and it happens that the shape is no longer there, but with this hair that I make, and you guys can see that the shape of the brow is now something like it's up. Just look at it very well, okay? If that makes any sense, it's up, like it arrived here and it's up because my hair, I made it. I think I love it. Oh my god, if I don't have any single reason for making my hair. I think this is gonna be the best reason for such, because of this shape that just appeared right now. And cutting my hair all these years has been giving me a lot of difficulties when it comes to my eyebrow. But this shape right here, my god, like just like this, and it's like this. Did you get that? I said like this, and it's up like this, and the same thing this side as well. I so much love that. I'm so happy. I love it. Oh my god. So guys, I have finished cleaning my face. As you guys can see, it's neat. I cleaned it very well. I used about 6 cotton wools to clean it. Cotton wool also. Okay, so I'm gonna head to where I'm going to now, and I'll see you all when I come back.